Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch your YouTube when you are using Roblox. So first of all, head over to your YouTube application, then tap on the U button. If you are using YouTube Premium, tap on the settings button and you will be able to see the option of playback. Tap on playback and from there, toggle on picture in picture. In case you are using YouTube regular account and just like in my case, what you have to do is head over to your settings, tap on the search button, type in YouTube. Now as you do that, tap on YouTube app info, scroll below and up here on top, make sure this is allowed permission and also make sure picture in picture is allowed. Now as you do that, you may go ahead, launch any video, for example, any of the video you would like. Even if you close it, you will see that it will appear on the right hand side. I will play a video, but it's not possible due to the copyright issue. However, you can go ahead, watch a video, and if you close the app, you will see the YouTube application will appear on top. So guys, and as you launch YouTube application and the video will appear on top, at the background, you may go ahead, launch your Roblox and do it at the same time. Thank you for watching.